Pretty. It's a short leg. Hey!
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
I love you. Oh my goodness.
No, stupid!
Get off my couch! Get off my couch and stop talking back! Back up. Back up.
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
People, stop. I'm going to show your mum.
Oh my gosh, is that your daughter? How many months is she?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
The attitude she has.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can save.
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Would you like to go? Ooh, that ear.
Oh my god!
What you doing? Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs?
Give me a kiss. That was a fake kiss.
He's a good boy,
I understand
Dan.
screw-ups. I understand.
Good boy.
Big smile, Holly. A good girl.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Ow! What are you doing? You little rascal.
Pachi! I'm gonna get Pachi. All the time.
Dude, stop following me.
Show everyone how you smile.
Alas siya, daw ang bilis. Ano na?
No.
I love you so, so much.
Huh?
Maggie, it's time for your bath. Maggie, it's bath time.
Who did that? Did you do that? Did you do that? Go to kennel. Hey, kennel. Kennel.
Winston, no. No, Winston, no. Oh.
You don't want any? Would you like to just try it?
Yeah, he don't care.
Don't eat. Don't eat it. Just take it.
I know, sweetheart. I know, honey. Oh, you're
Cut the hour and a half, please, to half hour.
Well, of course. Just getting ready earlier.
Get off my couch! Get off my couch and stop talking back!
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
You are not going back outside. Jake. Jake.
Give it.
Get your dog.
Karma, please.
Let it go.
Karma. Karma.
Hey, Cindy. Look at Cindy.
Oh, God.
It's okay, Alfred.
Look, he's right here next to me.
I want my rib. Can I get my rib? I want my rib. That's my rib.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb?
Are you okay?
Yeah. No.
Is it wrong?
You're tough.